Right, what we're going to do today is a one-pan peri-peri chicken rice dish. Super straightforward, super simple, all done in one pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to aim to keep everything quite chunky. I don't want it chopped too fine, otherwise we'll overcook everything. It'll almost turn to like almost mush really. So got the pepper first. Again, nice big chunks. Again, same with the onion. I'm just going to keep it nice and chunky really. Then we're going to be using 2 cloves of garlic as well. Personally, I'm using fresh garlic, but feel free to use jarred garlic, lazy garlic, garlic powder. Whatever you fancy, whatever you've got knocking about, really. There we go. It's time to start cooking. I've got my pan screaming hot. As you can see, it's already started to smoke. A little bit of oil in there. And first of all, I'm going to start adding the chicken. That's the sound you want to hear when you add it in. You want a nice sizzle. Get all that in there. Spread it around the pan so it's all making contact with the pan. 2 tablespoons of peri-peri seasoning in. Pinch of salt. Bit of black pepper in there as well. As much or as little as you like. Again, you make it to your own taste, don't you? I'm just going to get that good mix around now. I'm happy with that. I'm going to start to add in red onion, peppers, garlic. Once the onions and peppers have started to soften down just a little bit, it's super fragrant as well, this is, you should smell it. We've got 300 grams of washed rice, straight in. Okay, so I've mixed all the rice around, soaked up a little bit of that flavour. Again, keeping to our ratio of 1 part rice, 2 parts cooking liquid. In this case, I'm going to be using chicken stock. If you wanted to, you could use water, it's no problem. So we're going to add 600 mils of chicken stock. Thank you very much. There we go. And now this is already starting to bubble. So what we're going to do, exactly the same principle as we cooked our boiled rice. Let it bubble on a low heat, 10 minutes. Then we're going to cover it over, let it steam for 15 minutes. And what you'll have at the end is a beautiful one-pan chicken and rice. I've taken the lid off after 10 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat completely off now. And we're going to wrap this up completely. And again, let it steam for a further 15 minutes with the heat completely off. So this has been steaming now for 15 minutes and it is now time again for the grand unveiling. So let's reveal what it looks like. And there you go, look. Grab ourselves a fork, fluff it up a little bit. Look at that. No need to drain anything, it's all cooked in one pan. Just give it all a good fluff up. And all we're going to do now is garnish this off. A little bit of lemon juice. Just squeeze all over. A little bit of coriander. And there you go, look at that. Lovely. One pan peri-peri chicken rice dish. Nice and simple. I've got some Nando's sauce here. I mean, it's totally up to you guys. Drizzle a little bit over. For a little bit of extra heat if you want. And there you go. That is the finished article. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. That's going to be spicy.
Go on. Oh, that's nice and mild. No, that's nice. Very nice.
It's actually really decent, isn't it?